Hello friends, welcome to my creative, innovative, popular, unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through plenty of videos on face recognition using DLIB library, using FAIR library, using DFace library, using MTCNN library, using VGG Face 2 model, using Keras model, using FaceNet, using TensorFlow and many more. But today's video is little bit simple and easy. I will be doing face recognition by simply face recognition model. So let us go through the program. So I will be using face recognition part of the DLIB. So known faces, and these are the folder known faces, and face recognition this. Then load the image, in the sense the image I want to load from the known faces, unknown image, and if that image is compared with this known faces, and if unknown and known are same, then it will display the name if it is found, and if it not found, it will display unknown. So I will show you the initial state of the program. Here in known faces I have taken Sanjay 1, my image, and here I have taken Sanjay 1. So both the images are same, so it will display. And here I will take the Shahrukh image that I will paste in this directory, but after second interval. So first interval, if both the images in the folder and the images in the program are same, so see what happens. I will execute the program. Okay, it is not telling. Yes, Sanjay. Okay, here it should be there. Now here it should be, image should be there, because I am taking here from here, so it should be there in the directory. So now we will see. Yes, detected face Sanjay 1, because here we can see this image and this image both are same, that's why it is detecting face. Now what I will do, I will remove my image and I will add Shahrukh Khan image in that directory. So see what happens, because this image and this image doesn't match. It is of Sanjay and it is of Shahrukh. We can see here it is Sanjay 1, and in folder known faces it is Shahrukh Khan. So see what happens. Now it is telling unknown. So I successfully done with face recognition using a simple video of face recognition. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on DLIB, MTCNN, FaceNet, Keras, TensorFlow, then celebrity, Bollywood celebrity, Hollywood celebrity videos, and natural language processing if possible. Then different videos on supervised learning, unsupervised learning, fruits and vegetable classification, and Keras and TensorFlow. So latest update about machine learning, Keep watching my videos on youtubechannel.com. Thanks for watching.